Next application of transistor is as a switch. Now, what is transistor as a switch? Important thing is that, see, this is your BJT transistor, emitter, base, collector. We have also seen the operating region of transistor. This is the C configuration, input output characteristic. So this is your output characteristic of transistor. This region is your cutoff region. This region is your saturation region, and this remaining region is your active region. We have studied, we know this. So we have to use this same concept to use transistor as a switch. Transistor as a switch means it acts as an electronic switch. Electronic switch, because whatever switches you have in your house, when you turn off switch, fan light turns off. When you turn on the switch, fan light turns on. Similarly, electronically, if you have to turn on anything or turn off anything, then transistor is used. So this is again the widely used application of transistor, that electronic switch. Suppose one motor is there. Suppose this is one motor. Motor has two terminals, correct? When you give DC supply to the motor, this motor rotates. But continuously, when you apply this battery, this motor will rotate continuously. So for that purpose, we have to place one switch over here. So when this switch is pressed, then only motor will turn on. When this switch is released, motor will be turned off. But this switch is manual switch. That's what you have to go. Correct? But the automatic switch can be placed over there with the help of this transistor. Then this transistor is placed over here. When transistor carries current, it acts as on switch. When transistor does not carry current, it acts as a off switch. It is very simple. The circuit is very simple. I think some of you have the micro project regarding this. So today's lecture is very important for them also. They should listen carefully. Everybody should listen carefully, but they have the micro project regarding this. Now, this is your transistor, collector terminal, emitter terminal, and this is base terminal. So as you can see, this RC resistor is there. This RE can be connected to the ground through this RE resistor, and one more base resistor can be connected over here, base resistor. So see, you are applying input over here, input. Okay, your VCC is here, and here you get the output. Okay, so how this transistor acts as a switch, we'll see in very good manner. This is the circuit connection. So what will happen? This VCC is connected to the collector, and we have seen one chart. In that chart, we have seen the cutoff region biasing, active region biasing, and saturation region biasing. So two junctions are there, CB junction and B junction. CB junction and B junction. We have written in reverse manner. Actually, we should write B first, B junction, and CB. Why we have written B junction first? Because input is applied between base and emitter. So in cutoff region, both the junctions are reverse bias. In active region, the input junction is forward and output junction is reverse bias. And in saturation region, both the junctions are forward bias. So make the junctions like this. हे जंक्शन कसले तर ट्रान्झिस्टरच्या डायोडचे तुम्ही असं म्हणू शकता. फॉरवर्ड बायस, रिव्हर्स बायस आपण शिकलेलो आहे. So when both the junctions are reverse, then transistor acts as a off switch, off. When both the junctions are forward bias, means in the saturation region, transistor acts as a on switch. It acts as a on switch. So for sake of simplicity of application, what we'll do, we will connect one LED over here. This is one LED which emits light. And it is connected to ground like this. So very simple application of transistor that we have to turn on and off this LED using transistor. LED चालू बंद करण्यासाठी आपल्याला ट्रान्झिस्टरचा यूज करायचा. So transistor as a switch. Same application is there, same circuit is there for the micro project. लक्षात घ्या. Now this, see, VCC is connected here. VCC. So this collector is, you can say, suppose it is, if this collector is suppose positive, so this CB junction, you can say that it is reverse bias. You can say it is a reverse bias. Getting? So as this CB junction is reverse bias, this CB junction, sorry, base is positive, this is negative. So this is reverse bias, correct? You can say that this is reverse bias. When you apply negative voltage here like this, means negative terminal to the base, positive terminal to the emitter. So this B junction again reverse bias. So which condition we are satisfied? We are satisfied that CB junction is reverse bias and this negative terminal is connected to the base. So again, this is reverse bias. So in this case, your transistor is now in cutoff region. कसं परत एकदा सांगतो बघा. VCC means positive voltage is connected to collector, means N type material is connected to positive terminal, means N to P and P to N, means this is reverse bias. So CB is reverse bias. Then if this V input, this input voltage, the negative terminal is connected here to the base, then your B also reverse bias. So as both junctions are reverse bias, your transistor is in cutoff region. Correct? In cutoff region, your transistor will be off. तुमचा transistor काय झाला? Off झाला. So your transistor is off. So you can say this circuit will be like this. Are you getting it? हे जे सर्किट आपण आता ड्रॉ केलंय, ज्याच्यात निगेटिव्ह व्होल्टेज इथे V ला दिलं, this circuit will be like this as a open switch. म्हणजे ट्रान्झिस्टर मधून कट ऑफ रिजन मध्ये करंट जात नाही, त्यातून करंट जात नाही. सो वी कॅन से व्हर्च्युअली युअर स्विच इज ओपन. त्यातून करंट जात नाही म्हणजे स्विच काय झाला? ओपन. सो यू कॅन से दिस ट्रान्झिस्टर इज नाव ओपन. ट्रान्झिस्टर काय झाला? ओपन. सो युअर टोटल करंट थ्रू VCC विल गो थ्रू द LED, कारण की इथून जायला चान्स नाहीये. त्याच्यामुळे तुमचा काय झाला? टोटल करंट जो आहे तो LED मधून जातोय. सो इट इज गोइंग थ्रू LED, मीन्स युअर LED इज ग्लोईंग नाव. युअर LED विल ग्लो. बघा, ट्रान्झिस्टर ऑफ आहे, त्यावेळेस तुमचा LED ग्लो होतोय. उलट होतंय. पण तरी पण आपण काय म्हणणार? ट्रान्झिस्टर इज नाव ओपन स्विच, hence LED is glowing. LED is now glowing. Now we'll study the next case. See, what we'll do, we will apply here large positive voltage like this. Large positive voltage. This is positive terminal. Positive terminal is connected. Positive terminal is connected to base. Negative terminal is connected to emitter. So this B junction is forward. B junction is forward. Correct? Again, this input voltage is large as compared to VCC. VCC पेक्षा जास्त आहे. So you can say that this base is at positive level as compared to collector. हा बेस जो आहे तो कलेक्टर पेक्षा पण पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेजवर आहे, कारण की हे व्होल्टेज VCC पेक्षा जास्त आहे. हे व्होल्टेज VCC पेक्षा जास्त आहे किंवा इक्वल टू VCC जरी असलं तरी चालेल. Then you can say that your VCC is equal to V in, then your CB junction is also forward bias. बघा, केलं काहीच नाही आपण, फक्त इथे टर्मिनल्स उलटे केले. त्याच्यामुळे बेस जो आहे तो एमिटर आणि कलेक्टर पेक्षा आला, त्याच्यामुळे दोन्ही पण जंक्शन फॉरवर्ड बायस झाले. सो ऍज दिस जंक्शन इज as both the junctions are forward bias, you can say transistor is in saturation. Transistor acts as a closed switch, so the circuit becomes like this. बघा सर्किट कसं झालं असं. Okay, so your transistor is now on. Your transistor is on switch. So as transistor is on, it is short circuited, and we know that current always follow the lowest path, low resistance path. मग जो टोटल करंट आहे, टोटल करंट हा तुमचा ट्रान्झिस्टर मधून ग्राउंडला जाईल, या एलईडी मधून जाणार नाही. सो एलईडी विल बिकम ऑफ. So this is the case when we use transistor as a switch. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
काही डाऊट असेल तर विचारा. So we have seen transistor as amplifier, we have seen transistor as a switch. If any doubt, you can ask me both, or at least transistor as a switch. Tell me, is there any doubt? Others?
सर
हा,
ऍक्टिव्ह रिजन मध्ये काय होईल मग सर? ते फॉरवर्ड आणि रिवर्ड राहिलं मग सर्किट ऑन असेल का ऑफ असेल?
ऍक्टिव्ह रिजन म्हणजेच ट्रान्झिस्टर ऍज अ ऍम्प्लिफायर. आता जे पाहिलं ना आपण, ट्रान्झिस्टर ऍज अन ऍम्प्लिफायर बघितलं ना आपण, तो ऍक्टिव्ह रिजन मध्ये असतो ट्रान्झिस्टर. ट्रान्झिस्टर ऍज अ स्विच या दोन रिजन मध्ये ऍक्ट करतो, कट ऑफ अँड सॅच्युरेशन. आणि ऍक्टिव्ह रिजन मध्ये ट्रान्झिस्टर ऍज अ ऍम्प्लिफायर ऍक्ट करतो. आणि त्यामध्ये बी जंक्शन फॉरवर्ड आणि सीबी जंक्शन रिव्हर्स करण्यासाठी आपण ट्रान्झिस्टरला 4 रेजिस्टर लावले ना असे.
हो.
असे तर ह्या कनेक्शन मुळे हा जो बी जंक्शन आहे तो फॉरवर्ड होतो, आणि हा जो सी जंक्शन आहे हा काय होतो, रिव्हर्स होतो. त्यामुळे ट्रान्झिस्टर काय होतो, ऍक्टिव्ह रिजन मध्ये ऍक्ट होतो. क्लिअर?
ओके सर. हो सर, थँक्यू.
अजून कोणाला काही डाऊट आहे? बघा 3 रिजन मध्ये ऍक्ट झाल्यामुळे त्याचे असे ऍप्लिकेशन होतात तयार. सो ज्यांना मायक्रो प्रोजेक्ट हा आहे ट्रान्झिस्टर ऍज अ स्विच, त्यांना हे सर्किट इम्प्लिमेंट करायचं आहे आणि तुम्हाला टेस्ट करायचं आहे. ते खूप सोपं आहे, वर्क होतं, लगेच वर्क होईल ते. ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही इथे निगेटिव्ह व्होल्टेज किंवा 0 व्होल्ट द्याल, 0 व्होल्ट, त्यावेळेस ट्रान्झिस्टर कट ऑफ रिजन मध्ये ऍक्ट होतो, एलईडी ऑन होतो, बरोबर. आणि ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही इथे असं पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेज अप्लाय करता बॅटरीचं, त्यावेळेस तुमचं ट्रान्झिस्टर सॅच्युरेशन रिजन मध्ये ऍक्ट होतो आणि तुमचं एलईडी ऑन होत नाही तर ऑफ होतो. व्हेरी सिम्पल ऍप्लिकेशन इज दिस. Okay, you can take screenshot of it. काढलाय screenshot?
Yes, sir.
So this is your transistor as a switch.